Hello students, good morning to all of you. In class 12 commerce we are studying the chapter accounting for partnership for fundamentals. As you know that in the previous video we have learned about the how to solve or how to attempt the question related to the if there is any error or the omissions omitted in the financial statement, or you can say that the account has been closed, all the financial statement has been prepared. What we have to do in the previous question we have done that we have to make the adjustment entry by passing a journal entry in the beginning of the financial year. So in this question we will also solve the same types of the solution will be done, but this question is on the different topic, or you can say in the every question each and every new topics, or you can say any one new topic can be come. So here in the questions given, let's read the question to solve. So in this question given that the A, B, C and D are the partner sharing profit and ratio in the 2-2-1-1. They distributed the profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 and 9 lakhs ended 31st 29 lakhs without providing the following. यानी कि इनके पास जो है इनके चार पार्टनर हैं जो 2-2-1-1 के रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं और इनका प्रॉफिट है 9 लाख का, और विदाउट प्रोवाइडिंग इन्होंने क्या किया, प्रॉफिट का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर दिया. दे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर एंड 31st मार्च 2020 9 लाख विदाउट प्रोवाइडिंग द फॉलोइंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. तो इनको क्या प्रोवाइड करना था, इनको प्रोवाइड करना था कि सैलरी आपको देना था, सैलरी टू ए 15,000 पर एनम एंड सैलरी टू बी एंड डी ₹30,000 पर क्वार्टर टू ईच पार्टनर एंड गिव द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. अब तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमें ये दो एंट्री हमने क्या किया, ओमिट कर दिया, भूल गए, और हमने प्रॉफिट का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर दिया. यानी कि जो अभी प्रॉफिट का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रॉन्ग ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, यानी कि विदाउट अगर इफ देयर इज ए मेंशन टू गिव द सैलरी एंड कमीशन एंड ऑल वट एवर द remuneration given to the partner, that we have to first provide these remuneration, then after the balance of the profit will be distributed in their agreed ratio. So in this question it is done without providing these without providing salary A, B and D. They distribute the profit of rupees 9 lakh. So first of all in the books of account has been closed. So in this question we have to make the in the beginning of the year we have to make the adjustment journal entry. So let's move to the solution. So if we see that the students see here that we have to prepare the adjustment table. In this way we will prepare the adjustment table. We have to make the 4 column because the four partners are there, A, B, C, D. Okay. So